Okay, today we're going to create a shortcut that handles us having a meeting which occurs every other week in which we need to log in an hour early for this meeting. So the first tool that we're going to use with this is an application called DataJar that you'll need to install from the App Store. And we're going to go into DataJar and we're going to add a numeric value and we're going to call it just meeting. And for our initial value, we're going to set it to 1 to indicate that we have the meeting this week. So now we're going to go into shortcuts. And we're going to create an automation, personal automation. And we're going to trigger that on a time of day. And we're going to trigger it weekly. And we're going to go with the fact that this meeting occurs on Tuesday morning. So on Monday night, we want to set this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do an action to retrieve the value of meeting from DataJar. So we do get value. And the value we're getting is meeting. Done. And then we're going to look at the value. And we set the type of the value as a number. And then we're going to check to see if the number is 1. And then if it is, we're going to do a couple of things here. We're going to toggle the alarm. And it's going to set Tuesday work to on. And we'll drag that up under the if statement. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a number value. And set that value to 0. Drag that up under the if statement. And then we're going to go back to DataJar and set the value of meeting to the number value. So basically what that's going to do is we are going to show that we're setting the value to 0 to indicate that next week we don't have a meeting. So in that case, we're going to set the toggle the alarm for Tuesday no meeting to on. And then we're going to create another number value. And set it to 1. Because if we don't have the meeting this week, we're going to have the meeting next week. So then we're going to do a DataJar value, and we're going to set the value of meeting to the number of 1, so that next week we're going to have, and if we wanted to be sure we don't have 2 alarms set, what we can do is we can do the alarm again. And we'll toggle the alarm for Tuesday no meeting to off when we turn the regular Tuesday schedule on. And then when we don't have we will set the Tuesday work meeting off. So we'll put that there. So what's going to happen is the shortcut will get the value from meeting. We have that meeting. And if the value is 1, it'll turn the alarm for Tuesday work on, set a number value to 0, and then set the meeting value to 0 for the next week, because we don't have it for the next week. And it turns the alarm for Tuesday no meeting off. And if the value is set to 0, it turns the alarm for Tuesday no meeting on, turns the regular Tuesday work off, sets the value to 1, and then sets the value from meeting to 1 because we have the meeting next week. And then we just hit next, and we choose ask before running, turn that off, and then we're done. And that's it.